Hello friends! Nice to see you again. Welcome to Momo's Happy Kitchen. Let's have fun and start our easy cooking journey together. Today we are going to steam egg with spinach. This nutritious steamed egg which is simple to make and suitable for most people's tastes. Hurry up and save the recipes and click to follow my channel because you will receive simple recipe videos I upload every day for free. If you are willing, please give me a like to give me the greatest support and encouragement. Thank you all for your support. Spinach is rich in potassium, which can help metabolize sodium ions in the body, maintain blood pressure, and protect blood vessels. Spinach contains high amounts of nitrates, which promote heart health, critical to bone health. It also helps with nervous system, heart, and muscle health. Let's start cooking. Ingredients are spinach and eggs. The roots of spinach. Wash and blanch. After blanching, squeeze out the water from the spinach and chop it into small pieces. Eggs into bowl. Add water and beat until frothy. Add 6 eggshells water. One teaspoon salt and chicken powder to taste. Sieve egg liquid and mix with spinach. With food wrap and poke holes on top. Steamed with low flame for approximately 10 minutes. Drizzle soy sauce when steamed egg is cooked. You may serve directly or sliced it when serving. This steamed egg dish is delicious and has the fragrance of spinach. It is suitable for the whole family. Save this recipe now so you may refer back anytime in the future. YouTube. Friends who like cooking may consider following my YouTube channel for more delicious recipes. If you can, please give me a like, which is the greatest encouragement to me. Thank you all. There is also a bilingual version of my recipe. Chinese version will be available at 12 noon every day, while English version will be uploaded at 8:30 p.m. at daily basis. Welcome to follow and save all the delicious and easy recipes. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.